Very good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is area of plane figures. So from the chapter, I am going to explain some important problems. Listen well. Example 15. Find the area of the shaded region of the following figure. So this is the figure. So from this you have to find the area of the shaded region. So that shaded region is a combination of three figures. First, A, D, B, C, L, A. So here shaded region is a combination of three parts. First one, A, D, B, C, L. Second one, C, B, E, G, K, C. Third one, E, F, G, E. So to find the area of the shaded region, I need the area of three figures. First one, area of ADBCLA. ADBCLA. Second, area of EFGE. Third one, area of CA. B, E, G, K, C, B. So first I am going to take the figure area A, D, B, C, L, A. A, D, B, C, L, A. So here A, D, B, C, L, A is a region between two semicircles. What are the semicircles? A, L, C and A, D, B. So to find the area of A, D, B, C, L, A, you have to find the area of semicircle A, D, B and also A, L, C. First, I am going to take the figure A, L, C. A, L, C is a semicircle. A, L, C is a semicircle. So how the A, L, C? Like this. A and L and C. What is the diameter here? 7 meters. D is equal to 7 meters. Then R is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 meters. Now area of ALC is equal to pi r square by 2. Why pi r square by 2? Pi r square is nothing but area of circle. But ALC is a semicircle. Pi r square by 2. Pi means 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 1 by 2. Any cancellation? 7 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So 11 7s are 77 by 4 is equal to 19.25 meters square. So area of ALC is nothing but 19.52 meters square. Now next I need ADB. I need area of ADB. That is also a semicircle. Now ADB is also a semicircle. A and D and B. So how is the ADB? A and D and B. So ADB, to find what is the diameter of ADB? 7 plus 3.5. Why? Because up to AC, up to C, that is 7 meters and then after 3.5 meters. So diameter of this one is nothing but 10.5 meters. If you know the diameter, you have to find the radius. R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 10.5 by 2 is equal to 105 by 20 meters. Then area of ADB is equal to pi r square by 2. Pi means 22 by 7 into 105 by 20 into 105 by 20 into 1 by 2. 7 ones are 7. 7 5s are 35. Next 5 3s are 5 4s are. Next 5 2s are 5 1s are. 5 4s are. 2 1s are 2 11s are. What is the remaining here? 11 into 3 into 21 by 4 into 4. 11 into 3 into 21 by 4 into 4. Now multiply this all. You will get answer 693 by 16. So to find the answer of that one, you have to divide 693 with 16 by multiplying 11 into 3 into 21. I will get the value 693 by 16. To find the area of that one, you have to divide 693 by 16. So by dividing that, what do you get here? 43.3125. Now I know the area of ALC and also I know the area of ADB. Now I need the area of ADBCLA. Now area of ADBCLA is equal 43.3125. 43.3125 is the area of ADB minus 19.25. 19.25 is the area of ALC. So by subtracting that, you will get 24.0625 meters square. Now I need the area of EFGE. Area of EFGE here. EFGE is also a semicircle. What is the diameter here? 7 meters. So diameter of this semicircle is equal to 7 meters. If you know the diameter, I need the value of radius. R is equal to d by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 meters. What is the area of the semicircle? Pi r square by 2. Pi means 22 by 7 into r square means here. What is the radius? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 1 by 2. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So 11 into 7 by 4 is equal to 77 by 4. It is nothing but 19.25 meters square. Now area of the EFGE is 19.25 meters square. Next, I need the area BEGKC. So that is the combination. So that is the region between two semicircles. What are the semicircles? BE. This is one semicircle and CKG is one semicircle. So what is the outer semicircle? CKG. So outer semicircle. What is the diameter here? 7 plus 7 plus 3.5. So diameter of the outer semicircle is 7 plus 7 plus 3.5 is equal to 17.5 meters. If you know the diameter, you have to find the radius. R is equal to, so outer radius I am taking as capital R. D by 2 is equal to 17.5 by 2 meters. Then after inner semicircle, what is the diameter of the inner semicircle? 7 meters. So diameter of the inner semicircle is 7 meters. Then after R is equal to 7 by 2 meters. To find the area, CPEGKC, you have to subtract the inner semicircle area from outer semicircle area. So what is that here? Area of CBEGKC is equal to area of the outer semicircle half pi r square minus area of the inner semicircle half pi r square. So from this I am taking 1 by 2 pi as a common. So what is the remaining? R square minus R square. So here half into 22 by 7. Radius of the outer semicircle is 17.5 by 2 and the radius of the inner semicircle is 7 by 2 whole square. So 17.5 whole square is nothing but 306.25 by 4 minus 49 by 4. Here I am taking 4 as a LCM. Then after 306.25 minus 49. After subtracting you will get 257.25 by 4. Now divide with 4. You will get the answer 64.312. So after the calculations, what is the area of this? GKC is 101.0625. Now I know the area of this region and also area of this region and also area of this region. To find the area of the shaded region, we have to add all the areas. So finally, the area of shaded region is 24.0625 plus 19.25 plus 101.0625. After adding all these, you will get the answer 144.25. 375 meters square. That is the area of the shaded region. A rectangular arsenic sheet is 36 meters by 25 meters. From it, 56 circular buttons are cut. Here, one sheet there. That sheet is in the shape of rectangle with length 36 meters and breadth B is equal to 25 meters. So from this he is cutting some circular buttons. He is cutting 56 buttons from that. So after cutting the buttons, you have to find the area of the remaining sheet. You have to find the area of the remaining sheet. So this is a combination of two figures. One is rectangle and one is 56 circles. First of all, what are the dimensions of rectangle? Length is equal to 36 centimeters and breadth is equal to 25 centimeters. Then after circle, diameter of the circle is nothing but 3.5 centimeters. Here, diameter of the circle is 3.5 centimeters. Then R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 3.5 by 2 is equal to 35 by 20 centimeters. 35 by 20 centimeters. Now, to find the area of the remaining sheet, area of remaining sheet is equal to area of rectangle minus 56. Why I am taking 56? There are 56 circular buttons are there. Into area of circle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth is equal to 56 into pi r square. What is the length here? 36 into 25 minus 56 into 22 by 7 into what is the radius here? Radius of the sheet is nothing but 35 by 20. 35 by 20 into 35 by 20. 7 ones are 7 eights are. Still any calculations? 5 sevens are 5 fours are. 5 sevens are 5 fours are. 2 elevens are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2 fours are. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. What is the remaining here? 36 into 25. It is nothing but 900 minus 11 into 7 into 7 is equal to 900 minus. Now multiply that, you will get 539. What is the answer? 900 minus 539 is nothing but 361. So area of the remaining sheet is 361 centimeters square. So 8th class students, here is today's homework. Find the area of the circle inscribed in a square of side 28 centimeters. A horse is placed for grazing inside of a rectangular field. How much area can it base? You have to find the area. It means you have to find the area of this shaded region. Length of the roof is nothing but 21 meters. And what are the dimensions of rectangle? 70 meters and 52 meters. To find the area of the grazing, you have to find the area of the shaded region.